What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Doctor Strange from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top. Just work our way down towards the bottom and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we draw a small circle coming in for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight circle. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the inside edge along the top. We're going to bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's curl the brow along the inside, coming in and then up. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. From the end, angle this up and in to create a point. And I want to taper this down towards the inside. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now I move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left. Curve this down and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move all the way down, drawing the mouth. Curving this up in the middle and then back down. Step down in the center, draw a straight line across the lower lip. From the corners of the mouth, we're going to draw the inside edge of the beard. So we'll start on the left. We're going to curve this down and just tuck that up underneath the lip on the left. And then do the same thing on the right. Now from the eyes, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start with the left. We're going to step out, curve this down, and then we'll bring that in towards a point across the chin. Bend this out, and pull that up towards the right side. Let's add in the mustache. Starting in the center, and draw a straight angle line coming down towards the left, and then the right side. Curve this around and then in towards the chin. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the mustache in black. Now we're going to continue working our way up towards the top of the hairline. Let's start back on the left. We're going to bend this up and then in around the corner of the eyebrow. Now I want to create a point. I'm going to go up and bend that in towards the top. From here I want to bend the hairline coming in and then down towards the center. So I'm going to create a point in the middle, coming down and up towards the right. From that center point, we're going to add a curl. We're going to bend this around towards the left and back in towards the center. Go wider along the side and back up towards that point. Now I'm going to go up to this point and draw in the hair. I'm going to curve this around and down and curl that back up. Bend this in, up, then add a fold. Along the top, we're going to curve this up, across, and then down. Step back, draw another fold, going up, across, and then down. Now you just want to close off the right side of the head. From this point here, curve this around the head, and then curve that back in towards the top point. Let's draw on the side of the hair. Starting on the left, curve this down, and then bend that in towards the side of the head. Now let's move up to the top on the right, curve the head going out, down, and then in. Now I'm going to layer the ears in behind the hair. Let's start on the left side, bend this up, down and in towards the side, and then we'll add a fold across the top with a curve going out, go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to accentuate the cheekbones with a fold. We're going to start on the left side. I'm going to bend this in and then down on both sides. Now with the head complete, let's draw on that large collar going around the back. We're going to start above the ear along the side of the head, then it's out and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now I want to bend this in and then down just beside the jaw. And then we'll draw the lower half of the collar. Start by bending this out and then down again. I'm going to curve this up and then bring that down towards the center. Going up underneath the chin and then in towards the middle. Go up and then down towards the right. Now I'm going to trace the collar along the outside. So let's start on the top left. I'm going to leave an even space gap all the way around. And work our way over towards the right side. Now going back to that center point, we're going to draw a circle, going around and then up, and we'll trace that circle along the inside. From the side of that circle, let's draw the cape going up and then out. And we'll angle this up and in underneath the collar. On the outside of the circle, we'll draw two curves. On the left, going up, move out and draw that again. Do the same thing on the right. And we're going to trace this curve along the bottom, coming in. Now I'm going to fold the cape along the outside. So from this point, we're going to come around and down, and then bend that back out towards the end. Now we're going to come back to the cape after we've drawn in the body. So let's start along the side. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to come out and then down towards the hip. Go over towards the right. Do the same thing. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's move up and draw another curve going across the top. Let's connect the bottom left to the top right, going across and bending that up. Step down, trace that across, and we'll trace out the top going in towards the right. Let's move back to the center, step down and add a fold. We're going to go up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up towards the outside. And then from the left, we're going to curve the foot going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, angle this up towards the inside of the leg. Now going back to the hips, we're going to curve the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Along the bottom of the feet, we're going to add a thick sole, so we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. From the top of the foot, we're going to step up, add another curve, going across toward the inside. And we're going to add a small detail across the knee. Come down, across, and then angle that back up. Let's add one more detail on the side of the leg with a stripe coming down towards the edge of the boot. Now we're going to go back up to the side of the body and draw on the arms. From the top, we're going to step down, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line that up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. And then we want to close off the inside with a curve going up towards the wrist. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and bending that up. From the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this up and then in underneath the edge of the cape. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve, going in towards the thumb. Do the same thing on the right. From the top of the wrist, we go up, bend that out, step up and draw that again. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top and draw the edge of the glove with another curve. Now with the body in place, let's finish off the cape. We're going to connect the ends with a curve coming down in behind the legs, go in between, and then back up towards the right. And then we'll add a thick trim across the bottom of the cape, so we're going to trace that curve along the top. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Doctor Strange from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.